If your kitchen still holds onto smoke longer than it should, this might be the upgrade you didn't realize you needed. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer, practical look at the Amzchef Under Cabinet Range Hood 30-inch, 750 CFM stainless steel kitchen stove vent hood. This is a mid to high power ventilation solution designed for home cooks who want cleaner air, better visibility, and a quieter, more controlled cooking environment. If you cook frequently, especially with oil, spices, or high heat, this kind of range hood becomes less of a luxury and more of a necessity. It's built for standard 30-inch setups, fits under cabinets or wall-mounted configurations, and focuses on combining strong airflow with user-friendly controls. If that sounds like your kitchen setup, you'll want to pay attention. And if you're considering it, you'll find the purchase link in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy Amzchef Under Cabinet Range Hood 30-inch. The standout feature here is the 750 CFM suction power. In real-world use, that translates to fast removal of smoke, steam, and cooking odors, even during high-heat frying or multi-burner cooking. It's particularly effective in Indian-style kitchens where oil, masala, and prolonged cooking are common. This level of airflow ensures your kitchen stays breathable and your walls stay cleaner over time. The build quality is reassuring. Made from 430 stainless steel, the body resists deformation, heat stress, and long-term wear. It also helps protect the internal motor from grease buildup and smoke infiltration. Over time, this contributes to consistent performance and durability, something you'll appreciate after months or years of daily cooking. Ease of use is clearly a priority here. The combination of touch controls, gesture control, and a remote adds flexibility you don't often see in this category. Whether your hands are messy from cooking or you're multitasking nearby, you can adjust fan speed or lighting without interruption. The integrated timer function also adds convenience, allowing the hood to run and shut off automatically. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters are designed to handle grease efficiently while remaining easy to remove and clean. Instead of manual scrubbing every time, you can simply place them in the dishwasher. This not only saves time, but ensures the hood maintains optimal airflow. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this aspect significantly improves the long-term ownership experience. The lighting and noise balance are well thought out. The dual 1.5W LED lights provide clear illumination over your cooking area without harsh glare or excessive energy use. Combined with the 3-speed fan system, you can choose a quieter setting for light cooking or ramp it up when needed, giving you control without unnecessary noise. Final verdict: the Amzchef 30-inch range hood delivers where it matters most: strong suction, durable construction, and genuinely useful control options. It's particularly well-suited for households that cook regularly and need reliable ventilation without stepping into premium price territory. That said, installation may require careful alignment depending on your cabinet setup, and at higher speeds, you will notice some fan noise, which is expected at this power level. It's best for users who prioritize performance and convenience over ultra-silent operation. Overall, it stands out as a practical, well-rounded choice in its category. If your current kitchen ventilation feels underpowered or outdated, this is a meaningful upgrade that brings both comfort and long-term value. If it fits your needs, take a moment to explore it through the link in the description and choose with confidence.